I would like to show you how to make really quick and easy blackcurrant jam with the chia seeds. So we're gonna need just a few simple things, and hopefully everything will go nice and smooth, and you can join your sweetie treats during the autumn or winter time, because that time is the best time to open the summer trees. Me and my girls was taking those fruits just in the front of our house, because we are living in a neighborhood where is there plenty of natural fruits, free fruits, and I would like to make you as well to go outside, to go to the forest, go and check wherever you're living. Probably there is some option to get the free fruits, which are super 100% natural, and you can get them for free. So stay tuned, and we are going to start our cooking. First thing is to make sure that your fruits are nice and clean, so wash up under the sink. When you make sure that they are all clean, place them in a quite big pot and make sure that your pan is on the maximum heat. Don't forget to mix while it's cooking. Another step is add the sweetnesses. I add just the plain natural honey, but you can add the sugar if you want. Now, if you see when there's plenty juices coming off, stir it all the time, and then you can add your chia seeds. I add around 9 good tablespoons and mix it over for another 5 to 10 minutes. Guys, jam is ready to place into the jars. So while it's very hot, you have to put it inside and then turn it over when you close it, and then you're gonna leave the jars upside down until the jam is cold, and then you can put it back again, place it into your freezer or into your storage room. So let's do it. So this is it, guys. Our jam is ready to put on the shelf. I'm so excited. I can't wait to try it during the winter time, but for sure I'm gonna take one jar tomorrow with me to work, and I'm gonna try maybe with some breakfast, or I'm gonna make some dessert with that. So hopefully you like the video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe the channel, put the thumbs up, and check my Instagram as well. It's very important to join me on the to follow me on the Instagram, Kitty Cat, of course, and see you next one. Bye.